Yes, part 4 of our medicinal chemistry. The important question, 7th question, and this question will be asked in this year, 100% in the year 2022. Now you are going to write the examination, maybe inshallah in the month of December. This question is fixed for your examination, and this question is just a tilt in other way so that many students leave this question. So my request to you all to watch this video until last and get the knowledge of that synonym question. See here, the 7th question, what it says, define antipsychotic drugs, classify them, write the structure of any 4 drugs to treat some from different classes, and outline synthesis of a chlorpromazine. Very simple. This question asked in year June 2016 and March 2021. Now, before going to this, I have told you first to write the definition. What is this antipsychotic? See, in the name itself, it is indicating the psychiatric patients. To treat the psychic patient, we are giving this antipsychotic drugs. Let's go through the scientific definition. These are the class of psychotropic medication, primarily used to manage psychosis, principally in schizophrenia, but also in the range of other psychotic disorder. Mainly to treat the schizophrenia patient we are giving, and also in some of the other disorder. And very important one, these are also known as neuroleptic drugs or neuroleptics. This is very important, neuroleptics. Then let's study with the classification of these psychic drugs. Means antipsychotic drugs, first generation antipsychotic with low potency. Examples are chlorpromazine, prochlorperazine, and thioridazine. First generation antipsychotic high potency. This is low potency drugs. These are high potency drugs. Example here is fluphenazine, haloperidol, and thiazine. These are the first generation high potency. Next, the third classification of our discussion, that is second generation antipsychotic. Examples are aripiprazole, olanzapine, risperidone, clozapine. First generation antipsychotic, let's study chlorpromazine. This is the structure of that. They have told you have to write the any 4 structures of your classifications. See, this is the structure, very simple. 2 benzene rings, basically 3 cyclic rings. One is heterocyclic at the center, and that ring is connected with the one more substituent group. See, chlorine is present with the withdrawing group. And example, these are used to treat the symptoms of schizophrenia. These are also used to treat depression. If you don't know anything, I have told you, you go for the question what they ask. For an example, if they ask for antipsychotic, means if they are given one classification, you know, means if you don't know the uses, means you write it is used for the antipsychotic. You read the question, same you have to write the in the uses. Okay, then prochlorperazine, example, see, very simple. These are used to treat the symptoms of schizophrenia. Very simple. This is the same here. See, this one same, and here upward attachment of the substitution, here downward attachment with the benzene ring. Clear? Yes. Now the next example here is first generation antipsychotic, that is high potent, means the drug which high potent. Example, fluphenazine. See, this is the structure of the fluphenazine. Haloperidol, this is the structure of haloperidol. Go through that structure, go to the description, download the notes and read this. These are used to treat a psychic or psychotic disorders. These are used to treat the confusion of the patient. Okay, the patients, while they are in this condition, means psychic condition, they are confused, the mind is confused, they don't know to decide which one is true, which one is false. Okay, really they are confused. To treat that condition, we are giving this type of high potent first generation antipsychotic drugs. Now let's move toward the second generation antipsychotic drugs. Olanzapine, very important, olanzapine. Okay, risperidone, and uses, you write the same uses. These are used to treat the schizophrenia patient. These are used to control the depression. These are used to control the confusion in the psychic patient. You can write these all, it's enough for your examination. Then SAR of antipsychotic drugs, they are not asked this structure activity relationship, but you have to write to get the 10 marks. If the question was asked in 10 marks, means compulsory you have to write SAR of the given drug. Then here they have asked SAR of antipsychotic drugs. Phenothiazine, the structure of this is a phenothiazine structure. See, you go for the position of the carbon. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 membered this phenothiazine positions are substituent in the 10 carbons here. See, go through that. Now let's study about the SAR, what it say. Understand the concept. Unsubstituted phenothiazines has no activity but has good lipophilicity for the brain penetration. Substitution at C2 means carbon 2 and N10 means nitrogen 10 is required for the activity. What it says, see, this is the plain figure of the phenothiazine. See, at the carbon C2 and the N10, okay, if there is no substitution means what happens, there is no activity of the drug. But here without a substitution, these having the ability to permit inside the brain. They can easily permit through the brain membranes, brain cells, but they won't act. Why? Because of absent on C2 and N10. There is no substitution. Okay, next go through here. C2 must have electron withdrawing group and a terminal amino substituent must present at N10 position. Now I will tell you with example. See chlorpromazine. This is a structure. Here C2 must have electron withdrawing group. We have completed one aim of our SAR, okay, to having greater activity of the particular compound. See chlorine. It is the electron withdrawing group which will extract the electrons into the benzene ring. Then at the 10th position, see this nitrogen, okay, means terminal amino substituent must present at N10. Terminal amino substituent present at N10. Yes, we completed the two aims. Then our drug is a potent here. Means potent means it follows the rules which having the greater activity to treat the psychic patient. Okay, these are the SAR. Now next one more added question here. See this question, synthesis and uses of diazepam and chlorpromazine. See diazepam, it is also a benzoquinine. We discussed there. Benzoquinine, anticonvulsants which are used to given to treat the convulsions or seizures, epilepsy. Which one? Diazepam and chlorpromazine. See chlorpromazine, let's we will discuss in the next class synthesis of that chlorpromazine. Here diazepam, as we discussed there in the part 1. Okay, here see, this is the 2-amino-5-chlorobenzophenone react with the glycine ether ester, formation of the complex product with ethanol. That complex product under methylation in the presence of aluminum chloride, formation of the diazepam. Okay, then we know that it is used to relieve the anxiety, used to control the agitation caused by the alcohol withdrawal. Yes, these are the very important question of today's discussion, that is part 4. Inshallah we will complete a 10 marks important question soon. Next we go for the 5 marks. So my request to you all, these are very important discussions. Join with us and tell your friends to join these classes. Those who are in RGHS University, for them really it is the golden opportunity. And those who are related to PCI, means all the pharmacy colleges, maximum they are linked with the Pharmacy Council of India, PCI. So you too watch this video, and for your easiness I have uploaded the notes in the description. Go and download that notes, may be helpful for you. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.